Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to get filter on Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to get filters on Bereal, you need to tap on the Bereal app to check whether the option is available or not. So once you tap open the Bereal app, simply tap on the circle icon to click pictures. So once you tap on the circle icon, you can see that there is a flash option and then there is a flip camera option. There is also an option called BTS on or BTS off. Otherwise, there is no filter changing option that you can find in the live capture screen. So even if you capture the picture, you can see that you can't change filter according to your choice. However, music can be added or enhanced in it. So this is how we know that there is no filter option on Bereal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.